Given the BCS explanation.
This is the storage position with the res handle down and the clutch squeezed so that the clutch is disengaged. Now engine stopped, clutch engaged. So storage position, these two handles squeezed together and lock in place. We now have a storage position. The outer handles, these two here.
Yep.
You see the ones that are, these are your brakes, left brake and right brake. So you could turn the tractor.
On both sides.
Yeah, one for each side.
So there's one there. There's one there.
Yeah. This lever under here,
yep.
The odd lever,
yep.
is to turn.
Okay, so that's what gives you the swivel.
It unlocks for the swivel.
Okay.
Okay.
That's that lower one.
This one here. It's the opposite of the clutch.
Okay.
This is your throttle.
Okay.
So to start it, you put it about 3/4 throttle. So lever up.
Okay. And as you push it more that way, it gets more powerful.
Throttle. Less
okay.
throttle. Brum, brum.
Okay.
Okay. This is the forward and reverse.
Okay.
So any of the gears that you're in can be operated in forward or reverse. Forward is like this. Reverse is pull back.
But if you're reverse, you obviously want to turn the handlebars the other way, right?
Well, you could just back up a bit.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Slowly.
But if you are to swivel the BCS head around...
This might be reversed.
Okay, so forward is towards whichever way the BCS is facing.
I believe so, yeah.
Okay.
But I'm not sure.
Okay.
We'll have to try that.
Okay.
But it's forward or reverse, so if it's going the wrong way, just put it the other direction.
Okay.
This is your diff lock.
So if you get stuck?
If you want them to be locked together to have more pull, let's say when you're plowing in a straight line,
yeah,
you can lock the differential.
That way you'll get more?
And now, you see I can't turn.
Okay.
Now, so now the wheels are independent.
So when you lock the differential, it's like
they drive together.
And you're going on a straight line.
It's like a diff lock on the track.
But if you need more movement, you can unlock.
For turning.
Unlock the differential.
And maneuverability.
Okay.
Okay. PTO on off. So pull is off. Push.
So you have to push in to engage the PTO?
Yeah. I don't know why it's not pushing, but... Oh, maybe I have to.
Don't force it too much.
It's working forward, maybe it has to be just running and moving.